Okay, so let's get to work. You can turn the key fob to the opposite side. There is like a small hatch here. Move that to the left and use your other hand to pull out the manual key. With this key you can manually unlock your Ford, but you can also use it to disassemble this unit. There is a hole right here where the key was, so just put it inside a bit and you can pry it open. Just like that. Be careful with this side so you don't damage it. Now on the other side, here is the battery. Now what I'd like to do, you can also use the same key to pry the battery out, but there really isn't enough space here, so I just like to use like a kitchen knife or a flat screwdriver or whatever works for you. So just pry it out as well. Okay, so this is the battery and it is CR2032. You can buy it in any store. It's easily available. So once you get a new battery, just do everything just the opposite way. Put the battery back in this way. Take the other side and just align it and click. That's it. And put the manual key back in. And that's it. Okay, thank you for watching and I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe, share, like it. Thank you.